Hello guys, today we will learn how to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2 in AppLab. As you all know, we were done with our how to change background color from a click of a button, and today we will learn how to change the screen from a click of button. So now we will go to design and then we will choose screen. Drag to screen. It has been dragged, we can't see because all are blank, all screen. So we will again go to screen 1 and then we will drag the button to the screen 1 and then we will go to code, our main step. First on event and then this button was button 1 and then set screen 2. We will again go to design. I am changing the background color red and screen 2 button and screen 2 background this. Design. Label. I don't know, by mistake. This. So we have done. Now we will run it. Click on button 1. Yeah, we have done it successfully. So bye guys, meet you next video. Bye bye.